In this video tutorial, you will learn how to remove the proudly powered by WordPress footer link from your website. When you scroll down to the bottom of your WordPress website, you can see this link called Proudly Powered by WordPress in your footer. While this footer message does not harm your website in any way, it could make your website come across as unprofessional. There are two methods to remove this footer link. First is by editing the website CSS, and second is by editing the footer.php in theme files. Let's start with the first method. To do that, go to Appearance in your WordPress dashboard, then click on Customize. Now click here, Additional CSS. Now copy this code. I will put a link to it in the description below. Paste the code here. And as you can see, the Powered by WordPress footer link is now gone. Click on Publish to update your website. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. Then under the theme files, search for footer.php. This code will be different for different themes, but the part we are looking for will be in it. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your website before editing the code in the core files. So make sure you have a recent backup. Scroll down and look for this part of the code. This is the privacy policy link, and you can see here the Proudly Powered by WordPress part. Select this whole part and make sure you include the start and the end of both brackets. And then delete it. Then click here on Update File. Once the file is updated successfully, go back to your website and scroll down to the footer area. And as you can see, if you did everything correctly, the link should be removed from your website too, as it did here. This is how you can remove the Proudly Powered by WordPress footer link from your website. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.